Hey, it's D. So let's get into how much money I will be sending towards my 10K saving goal. If you want to see how much I'll be allocating, stay tuned. Hey y'all, hey, it's D. So today I will be going over how much money I was able to save from my budget for the month of October. And I did want to let you know, just in case you didn't see my post, starting in November, I will be only doing one video a week, probably for here on out, and several reasons. One of the main reasons is I have some changes coming in my life and I need to focus on those changes. And yeah, y'all, if you have any questions, just let me know. And let's get into my bankroll tracker, which I use to help me keep a track of how much I have saved for that particular month. And I will be allocating towards my 10K savings goal. So this is for October of 25. The day I'm filming this video is October 25th, and I did close out my last budget for the month. And I will be going over the categories. I changed this up since the last time I filmed this video because I did have some changes that I made. So this first section is for home, and this is for big home expenses. Household, that's for regular stock ups and small repairs and whatever I need for my household. Vehicle essentials is for everything I need to keep my vehicles running. Birthday, clothing, medical, and medical is one that I added because I realized that I am getting older, and yeah, I need to put some more money towards medical. Vacation, vehicle, and this is for a new vehicle that I want to get probably in the next 1 or 2 years. No rush on that. And then challenges, these are just regular challenges. So yeah, y'all, let's break down this money. Also, I did want to say that I did add my 2026 low income savings challenge to my Etsy shop, and I do want to thank those who did purchase that. So I have 2 challenges right now on Etsy. Etsy fees are a lot higher, and that is one reason why I went to use Buy Me a Coffee. All of my digital products are available on my Buy Me a Coffee shop, which is always linked down below. But I do appreciate those who did go out there and get the 2026 challenge on Etsy. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so for the month of October, for my home savings, I was able to add a total of $399. For my household, I was able to add $250. For vehicle essentials, I will be adding a total of $149. For my birthday, I'm allocating a total of $25. For clothing, I'm adding a total of $15. For medical, it will be getting a total of $318. And nothing for vacation. Vehicle will be getting a total of $45. And 7 challenges will be getting a total of $34. So I did add quite a bit to my medical special fund because I had to pay for some unexpected medical bills in the month of September and October to pay back myself basically for those expenses. Let's see how much money I'll be allocating towards my 10K goal. So that's $399 plus $250 plus $149 plus $25 plus $15 plus $318 plus $45 plus $34. And this month I will be saving a total of $1,235 towards my 10K. And I did do a video on an update from the 3rd quarter of my progress on 10K. I will link it up above if you're interested in that. I did also want to show you how I set up my binder so when I come and do my cash stuffings, it goes as smoothly as possible. But I also did want to say I am now offering a 7-day trial for memberships on my Buy Me a Coffee shop, and it is just $2 a month, and it comes with a variety of perks. And I did also go out there and add a number of perks in the month of October. So if you're interested in that, check that out. So what I do is my binder that I am focusing on right now, and I go out there and I have a cash envelope, and this envelope is where all the money is housed. So this right here should be a total of $399. So 1, 2, 250, 3, 350, 370, 380, 390, 95, 97, and 99. So when I come over here and do my videos, I can just go in here, flip to the section, and get the stuffing. So I did want to show y'all this. Let me know if you want me to do this moving forward. So this section right here, after the bookmark, is actually my household savings. And this right here should be a total of $250. And what I do, I break down the denominations per the challenge that I'm doing, and I allocate the funds here. And I do use prop bills because I prefer to keep my money in bank. So there's 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 220, 230, 235, 240, 42, 44, 46, 48, 49, and 50. So that's 250 for that section, and that adds up. Alrighty, and this next section back here is for vehicle essentials, and I should have a total of $149 in here. So this just keep me organized. Just a type of person, I like to be organized as much as possible. So 149, so that's 120, 45, 7, 8, and 9. Alrighty, so that is it for that binder. And next is this binder, and this one right here has all of my self-care, and yeah, it's tailored towards me. In this first section right here is cash, and this is a little different because I do have some interest under the cash stuff. So I did not add this interest into my actual tracker that I just showed you because I'm not counting the interest I earned on my accounts as saving towards my 10K. So I have $25 worth of interest that I got in my vehicle special fund, and I have $1 in clothing and interest that I need to allocate. So I originally allocated a total of $403 to go into this section right here. So 1, 2, 3, 320, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 400, 2, and 3. So that is right. And just let me know if you ever have any questions. And lastly, this next section is where I house my 7 challenges. And this just this next section right here is vacation, which I'm currently not cash stuffing right now. And the back section right here is 7 challenges, and these are challenges that I'm doing that don't have a particular area, and I will be saving up this money and reallocate it at another time. So this should have a total of 34. So that's 10, 15, 20, 25, 27, 29, 31, 33, and 34. So everything adds up. So make sure you stay tuned towards my videos to see how I am restructuring my channel. And my channel in the month of November, I will be going down from 2 videos to 1 video a week, as I stated. I have been recording here on YouTube since January 22, so it has been a while. And all that time I have been doing 2 videos, but as life change, you have to change. So yeah, y'all, stay tuned to my videos in the month of November, but don't forget to make the money, but don't let the money make you. And I'm so glad, because I am 100% debt free, I can put $1,235 towards my goal. All right, y'all, bye.